new Doctor's Park, we plan to add to the Escanaba family practice physician base, along with broadening the scope of ancillary and specialty services that we've provided. We believe the Delta residents will really appreciate the depth of the expanded tertiary care providers that will either be based full-time at Doctor's Park or hold regularly scheduled clinic hours here. Cardiac, nephrology, orthopedic, urology, pediatrics, oncology, women's health, and others will all see a stronger presence at Doctor's Park in the future as we work in tandem again with St. Francis and their acute care services here. It is our intent to hire Upper Peninsula building trade workers whenever possible to construct our new clinic. That's one of the things we've committed to, keeping jobs right here. We're using the UP construction company Gunlock Champion as the main builder, with many UP subcontractors invited to submit bids. I think Jake has continued to work with everybody and want to make that available to the local community. Marquette General and other partner hospitals have formed what Dr. Nora mentioned as Superior Health Partners. To clarify what that really is it's working together with other partners with similar vision and missions. And we've just announced 3 new partners in the UP, and we intend to announce a couple more here in the next month. And we intend to continue that, building a relationship among the UP, again working together for healthcare in the future. So you could say our commitment to the Delta County community and the entire UP region will be on display as this beautiful new clinic facility takes shape. With that said, I'd like to introduce our partner, Keith Pancoli, who flew up from Indianapolis. He said the weather here is much better. We appreciate that. And he's the Senior Vice President, Midwest Region for Duke Realty. Keith?
Thank you. Thanks very much. Duke Realty really appreciates and feel that this is an honor to be part of this project, and also appreciate the opportunity to, as the developer, be able to say a couple of words. And I want to express our sincerest gratitude for being selected to participate with Marquette General on this project. Today we are breaking ground on a state-of-the-art facility where the residents in Escanaba and the rest of the Upper Peninsula will have access to the outpatient services that we were talking about here a minute ago. As a developer who has over 20 years experience in developing healthcare facilities, we're very excited to be part of the 46,000 square foot building that's going to be sitting right here on this site. In addition to the folks that we brought along with us today from Duke who will be directly involved in the project, I want to recognize some of the partners that helped us reach this momentous day. BSA Life Structures, who is the architect for the project and will be has designed what I believe, and you see on the sign there's really a fantastic looking project. Our friends at Wilcox Professional Services will be providing civil engineering, and then a number of folks have mentioned Gunlock Champion, who is the contractor for the site. Again, to be brief, just are proud to be part of the project. Thank you again. Thanks, Jake, for putting up with our folks over the course of the last few months, years maybe perhaps, and Jerry helping us get the project over the goal line at the end of the process, so that we can hit our construction start date when we needed to get the project up and operational. With that, I would like to introduce Santosh Gowda, who will say a few things.
First of all, I would like to thank all of you, and I've been living in the community since 2009, and you don't know how much I appreciate the community. It's like a family to me and my family, and I have little kids, and raising family here is a wonderful thing. And without the community, without you guys, we wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be here. So thank you so much. The next, I would like to thank Marquette General. They have been a wonderful, employer. They create this environment where like we can work very stress-free and then do the right thing for the patients. They don't tell us what to do. We do what's right for the patients, and that's really has been a plus point, in staying here, in recruiting and retaining the physicians with Marquette General. So this new Doctors Park building, it has not just been a vision, of just the staff here. Dr. Fitch, as Dr. Lauren pointed out, we had a lot of conversation since last 2 years, and he was very passionate. And every member at Doctors Park is so passionate about this new facility. It's not just going to be a bigger facility. It's not just going to be a bigger building. And there's a lot of people put into this, a lot of passion. Scott Tuma has been coming down every other week, having discussions with the staff here, really to get everything, all the fine details, to get it correct, so that ultimately it's the community that's going to benefit. If you ask me, if you have a bigger building and a better building, how is that going to change the way you deliver healthcare? First, as Mr. Noren and the CEO pointed out, we're going to have expanded access to subspecialties. A lot of specialists are going to come. We cannot take care of patients in bits and pieces. We have to work together. Medicine is like complete teamwork. You need to have a whole team. If somebody goes to a primary care physician, they do a mammography and then they find something, they go to radiologist, biopsy, surgeon, oncologist, radiation oncologist. So you need this team, and then Marquette General has this team. So it is a one big and great family with a lot of competent and qualified professionals that can deliver this care under one roof. And of course, we cannot function in isolation. Medicine. We need help from our neighbors and then neighbors across the street. So if somebody needs transfusion, we'll be using St. Francis. Somebody needs an emergent MRI, we'll be using the local hospitals here. So we have to work together as we have been doing, but it's going to be in a bigger scale and a better scale, and do the right thing for the people of the community. And all I can say with confidence is that we will be delivering a better and best quality healthcare, so that people don't have to drive hundreds of miles, especially during the winter months. They need to understand, and the physicians have been really good. Whoever they're working with, whichever hospital they're working with, they're really good in sending patients, telling that, hey, we have the specialists in our local community. There is no reason for you to travel, like 200 miles or 300 miles to see a physician and then come back with no follow-up. And you can't expect cancer, especially today, cancer is a consideration. You need somebody who's there 24/7. And I live in Escanaba, and then the specialists are going to be coming down, and we need that help, that teamwork. And it's really exciting, and I don't have any words to express. We are very passionate about this, and all I can tell is with confidence we are going to deliver the best healthcare near your home. And thank you for I would like to thank the community especially for being so supportive, and then having trust in Marquette General, and they will assure that we will live up to your expectations. Thank you, and I'll turn over the podium to the mayor.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Can everybody hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, I agree with what everybody's saying up here, that this is a very big day for Escanaba and the area communities in Delta County and outside of that parameter that will come in and be able to avail themselves to this facility. It's a great thing that we're continuing this long-standing relationship with Marquette General, and look forward to this continued relationship and this very grand, I think, investment in the community, up to $11 million ultimately when they're complete with this. I don't think that we could ask for anything more from a partner like that. The city is very pleased to see this commitment that Marquette General has made to the community in promoting access to primary and specialized healthcare services. And we appreciate especially the commitment to keep construction opportunities for local and UP regional contractors. We welcome your investment in our community and look forward to a continued relationship. especially want to thank Duke Realty out of Indianapolis. From the city's perspective, they've been a pleasure to work with, and you know, the planning process went very well, and we look forward to the start and completion of the project. And with that, I think we're on to groundbreaking, are we?
Yes.